Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, depending on where you are and when you watch this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The name of my channel is Unbeknown because I don't show my face on social media. You can also find me on Instagram at Unbeknown. Check out my content there. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Yeezy 450 unboxing, and then I'm also going to be doing a demonstration of the dipped tote bag from the Adidas and Ivy Park Ivytopia collection. That was a request from somebody in the comments of that video, so I'm going to do that. So if you're interested, stay tuned for that. Also, hit the bell so that you can be notified every time that I post and you don't miss out on any of the content, since right now it's not like on a regular schedule. So that way you won't miss anything. But let's go ahead and hop right into this Yeezy 450 unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and start by cutting into the box. And I think that's good enough. I will give some details about it while I'm opening this up. So the Yeezy 450, the colorway is black or utility black. This is a brand new all black colorway of the Yeezy 450 that was released on last week. It was on Tuesday, August 2nd, 2022, which was known as Yeezy Day, which from stuff that I was reading online, I'm like, how are you going to have a Yeezy Day without Yeezy? So, that was kind of confusing, and I'm wondering if like this release and the others were even approved by Kanye. I'm not sure. So I don't know. It's kind of, it was interesting to read about that. But anyway, back to the unboxing. This is the box. It says 450 on the front. And then when you turn it to the side, you have Yeezy 450 made by Adidas. And then this just gives you the details, which it says, what does it say? Obviously my size in Yeezy 450, but yeah, it says it's an abbreviation for Utility Black Originals made in Germany. So let's go ahead and pop this open, or slide it open. Now, this release is similar to last year's Dark Slate release. Basically, everything is all black. Just by the way, you have the sticker on there. Let me bring that closer. That says Made in Germany. Is this as far as it looks like? Okay. Just gonna take one out for now. This is what they look like. I'm gonna spin it around. Try not to drop it while I do that. To give you a full view, flip it over and show you the bottom. And then kind of open it up a bit here and try to show you the inside. I don't know. Yeah, it's showing up on camera. I was gonna say, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but you can. So it has an all black prime knit upper, which is paired with matching black overlays, and then the sole unit is black as well, so it's literally everything is blacked out. It does have a sock like ankle collar, which you can tell here, it's like a sock, and then the laces are black as well. So it kind of, you know, it's all black. It has that stealth look. I'm not sure how these run size-wise. This is my first pair of 450s. But you know what? I'll actually go ahead and try them on now. And I can let you guys know if I got the right size or not and what I think about how they fit. So let me try that really quick. This is the right foot. So I'll show you guys in a second here once I get them on. Okay, so that's the first one. And then I'm gonna put the right one on, or the left one on. And I can already tell just from the right one that it feels comfortable, and I did get the right size. So I got this size. as I wear in the 350 V2s. I'm not gonna tie them up, but let me see if I can show you guys without actually, well, I'll just lift my foot up. So this is what they look like. All right, so that's the unboxing. Like I always say, let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this release, or comments, whatever. If there's anything more you'd like me to show, let me know and I can come back and do that. So don't be shy. Just speak up and let me know. Alright, so if you were just watching for the 450 unboxing, that's it. Now I'm going to move on to the dipped tote bag from the Ivy Park Ivytopia collection. And like I said, I have not looked at this. I said, like, oh, I need to check this out and learn about it and see all the compartments and see everything. I haven't pulled it out and looked at it since I did the unboxing video, but I did do my research and I learned more about the bag because, like I mentioned in the last video, I did not read up on it beforehand and I was just really quick to order some stuff the day of the release. So it was kind of a surprise to me once I got it, which had I read the product description and things like that, I would have known how large the bag was, for example, and other features about it. So I am prepared to speak to that, and I am going to show you guys or demonstrate how this detaches, and it's literally going to be my first time learning and doing it here on this video with you all. Like, okay, so if you watched my Ivytopia unboxing video, you know that I was shocked about how big and oversized the bag was. But the actual Adidas Ivy Park description tells you that. I'll just go ahead and like read it here for you guys verbatim. It literally says, it's an incredibly oversized metallic tote bag with attachable and removable details. And then it says there's oversized, and then there's this Adidas by Ivy Park tote bag, which completely throws ideas of expected proportions out the window. It comes with both detachable panels, which are these, which let me just go ahead and see how this works. Oh, it just slides right off. This is what the back side looks like. And these are the straps, and this is why a couple people in my comments are referring to it as a fanny pack, because that's kind of what it looks like. But Adidas and Ivy Park do not refer to it as a fanny pack. They say that these additional wallets on the front, which, let me go ahead and take the other one off. Well, you have to, I guess, get it just right. Let me put this one down for them to just slide off easily. Okay, so they actually call it, where was I at? So that it could be, these two things they say can be used for, one, a cosmetic case, and two, an additional wallet. And then they mentioned that there are 3 inner slip-in pockets as well. So when I did the initial unboxing and review, I was like, oh, there's also a couple of pockets in here. Well, they said there's actually 3. So, okay, here's 1, 2, where's the third one? Where is the third one? 1. Oh, okay, 1, 2, 3. They're all on the same side. I'm trying to see how I can show this to you all. Let me pull this down some more. So, how can I show you? I'm just gonna push this all the way up. Okay, so this is the inside of the bag, the tote, and there's one here, and then this is one where you have the... Due to technical difficulties with my initial recording, I'm having to come back and redo this again. So here's the first pocket, this is the second pocket, and this is the third pocket inside. In addition, they mentioned that the bag has a D-ring with an attached luggage tag. I actually already taken that off. Let me find it. Here it is. This is the D-ring. And this could be a luggage tag or whatever you want it to be. It could be like a little wallet as well, because you could put your cards or ID here or here. You could put cash in here if you wanted to, whatever. And it snaps like that. So that is on the tote as well, and it's detachable. As far as the specifications, the dimensions are 27.5 inches by 23.35 inches. So again, this thing is huge. The volume is 70.5 liters. That is a lot. 100% nylon, plain weave. It's lined as I have shown. Again, it has the snap removable side pockets with zip closures, and I've already taken those off when I did the previous recording, but I'm going to show you how easy it is for them to go back on. So it's almost like if you just get them closed, they kind of go back into place on their own. So it's really, really easy to get those reattached, almost like magnetic in a way. So that's how easily they reattach. Then we've already covered the 3 inner slip-in pockets. Again, we've talked about the D-ring with attached luggage tag, and I'm just gonna hook this back on. Okay, so now the D-ring is back attached. It says interior wallet with snap closure. That I did not see an interior wallet, so I'm not sure about that. But then adjustable webbing strap connects to the removable pockets. So you have these adjustable straps here, and then it also says this is imported. The color is silver metallic and solar yellow. And then that's pretty much it on the specifications. I'm also going to really quick go over ratings and reviews that are on the site, or that were as of the time that I looked at them. Only 8 people had completed reviews for this bag, and so of those, the current rating was 4.5 out of 5 stars, and 87% of customers recommend this product, and these are verified customers, like people that actually purchased the bag. They also had a scale from like poor to perfect, and quality was considered basically perfect. It was all the way over to the perfect side of the scale on that. In addition, as far as the comments that were left from verified purchasers, there was a first person who said, I feel like you need to be looking at something. Since I'm not in the frame, I'll just hold up one of the detachable panels while I talk, just to give you something to look at. But the first person said, cool design, very oversized. They recommended the product. They gave it 4 stars. And then they said, let me start by saying this tote bag has a very cool design. They said the silver and electric yellow are very contemporary, and the details like the detachable wallet clip and fanny pack give it a nice touch. So they refer to it as fanny pack as well. The tote is humongously long, and it definitely is. I think you can tell that. It's really, really long. They said, and even a bit awkward to carry. The magnetic clasps are nice, but the hardware parts definitely stand out without the attached pieces, and that's true. They look like this. Well, let me take this one off again, and if you just like slide up it easily, I say easily, then the last one doesn't want to just slide off, of course. There we go. So this is what they're talking about, the black circles here, or the black hooks. They're saying that, you know, they definitely stand out. And then they said, I'm not sure what to use the actual tote bag for since it's too awkwardly large, but they love the accessories and they felt it's definitely a statement piece. The second person said this bag is huge, this tote is huge. They recommended the product. They gave it 4 stars. They said this is a really oversized tote. They're not joking, but it can be 3 bags in one with the extra straps for the smaller detachable bags, plus a card wallet, which is cool. And I imagine using these more often. They said detachable bags reattach really easily and feel kind of magnetic. I do agree with that. They said overall great quality, just the size is really too big for everyday use. And I say it just depends on what you plan to use the bag for. Like, you might need a large bag like this every day. Maybe you won't. It's just for whatever your liking is, really, and whatever you're going to do with it. The third person, really, I didn't get a whole lot out of their comments, so I'm not going to read that, but they did recommend the product and they gave it 4 stars. The fourth person said it's huge. They recommended the product. They gave it 5 stars. They basically talked about how huge it is. They said, I could fit a small child in it with room to spare. And I thought that was funny and true when you think about how big it is. But they said, that being said, the quality is great. And I love the additional bags it has attached to it. Amazing color and a definite statement piece. Get it while you can and be prepared to figure out all the things you can put in it. The fifth person said they recommend the product. They gave it 5 stars. They said great product, amazing quality, and very comfortable. The sixth person said great, recommend the product, 5 stars, great item, great quality, love the overall product. The seventh person did not give a recommendation for the product, but what they said, they did give it 4 stars. What they said was their bag arrived with tags but did not have the non-shiny wallet shown in the product images. I know what they're talking about. I don't have that either. But they said they imagine this wallet fits best on the belted smaller bag, but without it, the shiny wallet looks goofy, so that's their opinion about it. This person said that they saw 0 reference to any luggage tag or this other wallet that's shown on the product page. So, and the last person, I'm not going to read that comment, but they recommended it and they gave it 4 stars. So that is my demonstration and additional review of the dipped tote bag from the Adidas Ivy Park Ivytopia collection. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you can be notified every time I post. And yeah, I appreciate the feedback. Keep it coming.